Need to delete saved passwords on your Mac Mini M1, M2, M3, or M4? This is useful for keeping your accounts secure or removing outdated login information. In this video, I'll show you how to delete saved passwords on your Mac Mini. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. There are a few methods, but I'm showing the easiest method so that you can delete it in a quick way. First, click on the Launchpad icon from the bottom taskbar, then find the password app here, or search password from the top search bar, then open up the password app. Enter your lock screen password if it asks. Here you will see a list of all your saved websites and accounts in the sidebar, or use the search bar to find the website or account. Now select the account. After that, press the delete key or click remove. It depends on your macOS version, or click on the right mouse button, then click delete, then follow the prompt to confirm deletion. And that's how you can delete saved passwords on your Mac Mini M1, M2, M3, or M4. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.